This is the first Tim show. After 1 month, I haven't done a Tim show. Not even one. I haven't done a Tim show yet. I did one, but anyways. So yeah, This is my room. And then hopefully we don't get any bad weather. Yeah, I forgot about that. So yeah, I live in a state. Wait, where's Timmy? Okay, he's downstairs probably. This dang dude is downstairs. I'm gonna go there. But how? But I know how. Cause I'm gonna try to go down there. But how? I know how. Easy. You just go down through here. Timmy, what are you doing? Nothing. What are you looking at? Nothing. It's raining outside. I know. So what should we do inside here? Okay, never mind. I'll just go over here. Sorry for that. I'm not gonna. Alright, so let me just here. Tornado alert! What do you mean tornado alert? There's a tornado alert! Move! There is not a tornado. Why does my phone feel like it's ringing? I don't know. Check your phone out to see if it's actually ringing. Alright, okay, what does it say here? You're right! I told you I'm always right. Tornado alert? Okay. There's no tornado alert. Alright, so, what should we do? I don't know. Oh, yeah. We should go stay inside. What do you know? What do you know about emergency? Go inside? No. You go inside a closet in the hideaway. But we don't have a closet. Oh yeah, I forgot. The secret place is the bathtub. Is that gonna do something? Yes, it will. There's no windows, so it doesn't work. Okay, whatever you say. Trying to get us anyway. I can do something. It's probably nothing. You're not right. It's so over. What are you talking about? Oh, what was that? What happened? The tornado got too close. Now it's gonna pick us up. Okay, now it's gonna pick us up. Oh, shoot. It's gonna cause things on fire because some things could be flammable. There's a tornado out here. Oh my god, he was not trying to get it. What's it gonna do? It's ripping down everything. You're supposed to be dead right now. How are you alive? I don't know. Oh. I think I should just leave. Yeah, you should leave actually. Alright. I'm gonna leave soon. Oh shoot, the tornado can get any worse. How can the tornado get any worse? I just say, it can get worse, but it won't get worse. How does that make sense? I don't know. It just will make sense. Hold on. Oh no, the roof just fell off. That's not a roof, that's a floor. Yeah, whatever you say. And now the tornadoes are stronger. So there be lightning. So because there's also gonna be lightning strikes. Oh, lightning just struck the house. How? I don't know. Now. I said I don't know. Alright. Okay, is that our Jeep outside? Who's out? You know who. And now it's really stronger, really stronger. What do you mean a little stronger? Oh! I'm gonna pull it in. What are you talking about? It's getting stronger, way stronger. Ah! Timmy, how do you survive it? I don't know. That thing split me in half right now. Oh god. Something bad happened. I know something bad happened. Do we have to regenerate again? I guess so. Hey, that took a while to regenerate us. Wait, that should have been floating. Yeah, that should have been floating for a second. Be careful for flying debris, because flying debris can eventually kill you. It can? Yes, it can. The debris is strong enough to kill you. Oh, that looks strong. Oh, bits of debris are flying. Watch out for that one piece of metal. That thing went ballistic. Yeah, so there could be crates falling everywhere. Oh, now there's a crate! Oh, no, it fell. Okay, where did that come from? Please show me where did that come from. I don't know. But hopefully there's nothing else that comes out of the sky. Is that a snowman? Is that a cooler? Alright, now it's real. It's all the debris. It's all the debris. Are you coming around here? Yeah, just watch out for the flying debris, okay? Watch out just for flying debris. Because the debris it can literally get plate it here. Okay, a plate. That is it. What an absurd plate that happened here. And right now, what could go worse? What could go worse? A refrigerator? Oh! Ow, my back. My back got broken. How did my back get broken? I don't know. My back didn't break because I didn't have a cracking noise. Of course you didn't. It was just painful. Is that how it's going to be? Yeah, pretty much is.